My fig tree experienced -5-degree temperatures in February 2021 Texas winter and grew no figs. Will figs return in 2022? And this is Lori from Texas. So Lee, what do you think about that? -5 degrees.
-5, she's lucky for it to survive.
Yes.
Figs don't usually take more than down to 5 degrees. So if it survived and came back, then last year, figs produce on their old wood.
Right.
So if she didn't have any figs last year, chances are if it comes back this year, she'll have figs.
Good deal. Ms. Kim, anything you want to add to that?
No, I'm surprised it's still alive.
I am too. Yeah, figs are what, subtropical plants. So anything that cold, yeah.
Right.
Obviously, it died down to the roots. It will come back from the roots, and it usually comes back as a bush, as a shrub.
Yeah, more of a shrub.
Right. And yeah, depending on the variety, and we don't know the variety here, but yeah, old wood or next year.
Next year.
You get production next year.
Right.
All right. So there you have it, Miss Lori. Hold on, right? You'll get that production this year.
Don't dig it up
2022.
yet.
Right. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.